The two biggest myths that I always have to kind of bust when it comes to revocable trusts. My name is Philip Bruce. I'm an estate planning attorney here in Minnesota. And a revocable trust, again, is a form of estate plan that avoids the probate process. What we do is we get our kind of family entity, and I like to call it the Ziploc bag, and we get our stuff into this thing, and anything that ends up in here gets zipped shut at death and gets distributed via a private family agreement, which doesn't need a judge. So that's how we avoid probate with a revocable trust. The two things that I get asked about the most is whether this will protect me from creditors or medical claims, etc. And the answer is no. This is an open Ziploc bag during my life. I can put my stuff in here. I can put my rental house, my business, my checking account, whatever it is, in here, and I can take it out any time. I have full control over it. And because I have full control over it, that means anyone who's wants to get at my money, there's not like an additional layer of protection here. If I can get to it, the bankruptcy court can get to it too. So if I'm getting sued or divorced or whatever it is, this doesn't protect from that. The reason we do it is to skip probate. That's why you do a revocable trust plan. And the other issue is does it protect me from taxes, or is there some sort of tax shelter involved with this? No. This is a completely see-through thing. You don't even have to tell your accountant you have a revocable trust, because it doesn't matter. If I have something in here, let's say I have a rental property and I put it in my Ziploc bag, I put it in my revocable trust in hopes that when I die, this thing zips shut, controlled by the private family agreement, avoids probate. Good. Well, as long as it's in this thing and it's an open Ziploc bag, any income kicked out by this thing, my rental income, whatever it is, or if I have an account and it's kicking out dividends and interest and whatever else, I claim it on my taxes like a normal person. I don't do anything special for a trust. Again, you don't even tell your accountant you have one. Sometimes when you have a revocable trust and you open up a bank account, they want the trust's tax ID number. You use your social security number for that, because again, it doesn't matter. It's just not a taxable or non-taxable thing. There's a lot of benefits to these for family members. There's a lot of intricacies you can build in. Some are very straightforward. Some just give everything to family members outright. But the point is we get to avoid the court system, and that's the big benefit, and that's why they're so popular. If you have questions about this or anything else with estate planning, please do give us a call or shoot me an email.